Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw your Chainlink tokens from your Arculus wallet directly to your Revolut account in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to make this process smooth and hassle-free, you're in the right place. By 2025, with advancements in blockchain tech, transfers like this will be even faster and more secure, but let's break it down step by step so you can do it confidently. First off, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus wallet app installed on your phone or device, and your Revolut account should be linked to cryptocurrency services. Revolut has really expanded its crypto features by 2025, so depositing Chainlink should be a breeze. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and log in using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select your Chainlink tokens. This is where you can see your balance and start the withdrawal process. Step 2. Tap on the Withdraw or Send option for Chainlink. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Don't worry, we'll get that from Revolut next. Step 3. Switch over to your Revolut app. Go to the Crypto section, select Chainlink, and copy your Revolut Chainlink wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any errors. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might be lower, but always review them before proceeding. Step 5. Hit Confirm on the transaction. Arculus will likely require additional security, like a fingerprint scan or a PIN, to protect your assets. Once approved, the transfer will initiate on the blockchain. Step 6. Keep an eye on the transaction status. By 2025, most crypto transfers are lightning fast, but it could take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. Once it shows up in Revolut, you're all set. A quick tip: always stay safe with crypto. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be aware of any potential gas fees or market volatility. That's it for this guide. You've now got the skills to move your Chainlink seamlessly. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.